Hello everyone, I am Anuj Nakade and you're watching LiveLaw. LiveLaw is a fact-based legal news online portal. We are able to bring you credible legal news only with the help of our subscribers, viewers and readers. Please subscribe to our channel and share this video to further help us bring you your credible legal news. In today's video, we bring you news from a case with great public interest at its heart, especially for the residents of Mumbai. This is an update on the suo motu case taken up by the Supreme Court in the afforestation of Aarey Forest for the construction of the Mumbai metro lines. A suo motu case is a case taken up by a court without any intervention of any third party. Suo motu quite literally translates to on its own. The Mumbai Metro Railway Corporation Limited, or the MMRCL, requires a considerable amount of deforestation done in the Aarey Forest for the construction of metro-related infrastructure. However, there was a strong and vocal opposition to the same from various citizen groups. After hearing all affected parties, the Supreme Court passed an order on the 29th of November 2022, issuing directions to MMRCL, the Conservator of Forest, and all concerned authorities, telling them what must be done while the case is pending. This court, in the interest of creating the least possible delay in the construction of important public infrastructure and protecting the environmental concerns, allowed MMRCL to carry out the felling of 84 trees. However, the Mumbai Metro approached the concerned authorities and made an attempt to cut down additional trees, totaling the number to 177. At this point, an intervention was sought against the action of Mumbai Metro in the Bombay High Court. Since the Supreme Court had already taken suo motu cognizance in the matter, the Bombay High Court directed the parties to seek a clarification on the case from the Supreme Court with regard to the cutting down of 177 trees. The matter was listed today before a three-judge bench of Chief Justice D.Y. Chandrachud, Justice P.S. Narasimha and Justice J.B. Pardhiwala for clarification and further direction as directed by the Bombay High Court. The Supreme Court expressed grave concern and disappointment at this attempt of Mumbai Metro to try and cut 177 trees behind the back of the Supreme Court. The Supreme Court said, and I quote, "How can you move for felling of any more trees in excess of 84 trees? You're in contempt of our order. You cannot take this court for a ride and go above the court's order. We lifted the status quo order specifically for 84 trees. If there was something in excess of 84 trees, you should have come back to us. We would have granted permission subject to the hearing." Tushar Mehta, the Solicitor General of India, told the court that MMRCL had no intention of overreach, but rather just misstepped due to the reliance on an older survey. MMRCL apologized to the court and said that due to newer surveys being necessitated in the construction process, more trees were needed to be cut to make the infrastructure possible. Upon hearing this, senior advocate Gopal Shankar Narayan told the court that MMRCL had renumbered trees which did not fall in the projects to cut them and expand the area of the projects. Senior advocate C.U. Singh went on further to categorically refute the statement made by the Solicitor General, and he said, quote, "It is based on complete falsehoods. They're saying that in December 2022, they didn't have a survey, so they couldn't tell how many trees were cut. In March and July of 2022, a detailed survey was done and they got permission for only trimming of branches." The Supreme Court noted the contentions put before them and concluded that the MMRCL had acted in categorical overreach of the order passed by the Supreme Court. However, the bench said that any intervention or stay on cutting down of 177 trees would intervene and delay the construction of important public infrastructure, in this case, a car shed ramp of Metro Line 3 at Aarey Colony. Hence, the Supreme Court allowed the Tree Authority and the Mumbai Metro to continue with the felling of 177 trees. To punish the conduct of Mumbai Metro, they were directed to deposit a cost of Rs 10 lakhs to the Chief of Conservator of Forests. The Conservator of Forests has been directed to ensure afforestation is to be completed and requested the Director of IIT Bombay to create a team for verifying compliance of all parties with the Supreme Court order. That's all we have for you in the video. If you found this video informative, please leave a like and tell us in the comments how we can shape our content to bring you your legal news in more engaging ways. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon for notifications. Thank you.